In this video, we're going to learn how to make a slip knot. First, you'll want to start with your short end on the left side and the longer end that attaches to your ball of yarn on the right side. You're going to hold the yarn approximately over about two of your fingers on your left hand. Wrap the yarn around from the top, around the back to the front. Cross this yarn over to make a small loop. Then you want your right yarn to go behind this loop. Again, that's you've made a loop, and then you put the yarn on the right side behind the loop so it makes a sort of a pretzel that you can see here. Then you're going to grab this yarn right here, pull it through the loops, and pull the other two ends tight. And now you have a slip knot that you can easily adjust with the yarn that's coming from your ball. You can have it tighten up, and then your short end again is over here. And if you don't like how the knot went, you just pull both ends and pop it out.